I'm Amanda Kraft, and I am the manager for Immigration Advocacy in the Office of Immigration Issues in the Office of the General Assembly. John Fife represents this larger movement that was really significant in the shift in the way church institutions really related and accompanied migrants. The Presbyterian Church USA had at that point been making statements about the treatment of immigrants since the late 1800s. However, that was often due to the church's relationship with them, right? The ministry to them, which was really significant for newcomers in this country, but it didn't really relate to or be expressive of their particular needs in a particular situation. And the work John Fife was doing, along with lots of others around the country, was really to highlight the specific needs and asks of migrants, of people who were in fact on the move seeking safety in the United States. And that shift was so important, right? To shift who was the center of the narrative really helped allies and advocates in the United States rethink how they accompany folks who are on the move, and really understanding our role as being able to organize ourselves to be this front that could really start to question with effectiveness what the U.S. government was doing. And so it was really a really interesting shift in how churches saw themselves, right? Not only as this place of sort of respite and relief, and ability to help folks settle in, but really a place that was able to become protective, but also a voice that lifted up their concerns and their own asks and their own needs of the U.S. government. So it was a really significant movement that sort of helped churches move away from only caring for sort of the way in which they were assimilated into the United States, but really this understanding of these folks are in dangerous situations. Our government is involved with what's happening in their lives. How do we become this space that provides them protection, but also becomes a voice that can confront effectively the U.S. government?